Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining how you can turn off photo backup from your mobile device for Google Photos. So let's get right into it. Now, Google Photos is Google's own cloud storage service for photos and videos, and that is pretty much it. It is tied to a Google account, meaning it shares the space with Google Drive, and so on and so forth. A lot of basic information about it, but let's get to the meat and potatoes of this tutorial, and that is how you can turn off automatic backup. Now, as I've said, you can only do this for mobile. For computer or for PCs in general, you do not need to deactivate the backup. You need to back them up manually if you would like to back up photos. So there is nothing that you have to turn on or off for the PC. Now, for the mobile phones, Android and iPhone as well, it's a different story. To turn it on or off, it can take a while to complete a backup depending on the internet connection, so make sure that the backup is complete first before you turn it on or off. So on your Android phone, open the Google Photos app, sign into your account. In the top right, tap your profile picture or initial. Once you're there, tap the Photos settings and go into backup, and then from there you can turn backup on or off. As you can see, I most likely cannot do that here, but yeah, this is what the actual button looks like. So you have no need to turn backup on or off. Now, iPhone, pretty similar. Just sign into your Google account on Google Photos, tap the initial, go into backup, and turn backup on or off. You can open the iOS settings and go to privacy and photos, and you can turn on go to Google Photos if you get a message allowing to access your photos. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you next time.